In today's world, inflation is a real concern, especially when you're living on a fixed income. Sometimes managing expenses and managing cash flow is what becomes most important in retirement. And if you're one of 40% of retirees who are still making a forward mortgage payment, you might consider a home equity conversion mortgage because the principal and interest component of that payment will now become optional. And in today's video, we're going to hear from Jeff, who used the home equity conversion mortgage to eliminate his house payment and essentially cut his expenses in half. Now, as always, remember to check with your family and a licensed financial professional before you make this or any other major financial decision. Now, sit back and get ready to learn the truth about reverse. If this is your first time here, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to tap that bell for notifications so that you can keep learning right along with us. If you have questions about reverse mortgages or about the home equity conversion mortgage specifically, I am more than happy to help. My contact information is in the description right below. Feel free to reach out anytime. Those over age 62 have amassed more than $13 trillion in home equity, and it largely sits idle during retirement. Additionally, 40% of retirees are still making a mortgage payment even though they are living on a fixed income. And today, inflation is a reality. It's a very real concern, and it's putting a lot of pressure on those who are retired who are relying on that fixed income. In today's video, we're going to hear from Jeff, who used the home equity conversion mortgage's payment optional feature to eliminate half of his monthly expenses and help him live out a more comfortable retirement on that fixed income. This is his story.
My name is Jeff, and I live in Grover Beach, California. I've been in the house for about 27 years, since 1995. Basically, I'm retired, so I had just my limited income, so I have to base everything off of, what I have Social Security-wise and pension-wise. So I had to live within that means. And as you know, the last 2 years, 3 years, everything has gone up out of sight. And so gas, electric, food, everything in the last 2 years has gone skyrocket, and the pension and the Social Security don't really. So I looked at this, and what he presented was what I could, do away with the house payment, and that's like half of what I was getting. So I'm able to, not only pay my credit cards and pay my bills, I can actually, maybe buy something extra, So it's helped quite a bit. The type of loan it would be good for anybody that has issues with money or that is planning to do something. I would think it's a pretty good option to get one of these because it does free up. I don't know what their house payments are or what their bills are, but it did free up enough. Well, actually, it's about half of what I bring in each month was half of that was a house payment. So it freed up a lot.
I hope Jeff's story helps illustrate how the home equity conversion mortgage can be used to manage expenses during retirement, especially in an inflationary environment. Jeff was able to cut his expenses in half, and you can imagine how much that led to a much better quality of life during his own retirement. Until next time, keep on learning the truth about reverse.